Hey guys, Tech Show with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing an iPhone 13 in 2024. Now, this phone was released in September of 2021, so it's been out for a while, but Apple still sells this model directly on their website if you're looking to get it. Today, we're going to be unboxing the Midnight Color one, 128 gig, which starts at $599. If you go with the 256 gig, it's $699. If you go with the 512 gig, which is the most you can get, it's going to be $899, and there's 6 different colors to choose from. Midnight is the black edition one, but of course there's other colors to choose from. So let's get started. So first thing, I'm going to go ahead and start tearing this up here with these strips. Now, if you tear this up, take a look in the box here. As you can see here, the blue design, of course, very similar to the iPhone here. As you can see here, it's a blue design, perfect condition. Brand new out of the box. This is how it's going to look, right? The two 12 megapixel cameras in the back, and then the Apple logo, and then you have your 5G antenna, the side button, and then the silent button, and then the volume button, and then the SIM tray, which is the last model that Apple sells with the SIM card tray. So if you're looking for a SIM card tray phone, this is where the iPhone 13 is a great option for you because it has that physical SIM card. And let's go ahead and take a look at what's going to be included in the box itself. The only thing really Apple's including is the charger cable, USB-C to Lightning, and then you have the SIM ejector tool, and of course the Apple sticker and the safety and handling feature. So that's all you're going to get. They're not including this block, which you'll need in order to charge your phone, because they don't have this, and this is a 20-watt one, which you can get, I believe, to $20 to $30 extra that you'll have to pay. So let's put this inside here and then take a look at the phone itself. We can take that sticker off, so give it a little ASMR for that. And once the sticker is off, we're going to go ahead and power on the device. And hopefully it has charged. Sometimes you might have to charge it before charging up. So the Apple logo up here, good to go. And we're going to go ahead and try to quickly do a setup to the main screen just to show you how easy it is to set it up. But if you're transferring your data, you want to follow along and transfer your data during this process. So you have hello here. Go ahead and select a language or country. And then you can do a quick setup by bringing your old phone or just set it up new. So I'm going to just go ahead and connect to my Wi-Fi here. Now putting in the Wi-Fi password. Now it's signing in. So a couple of things. This is a 6.1 inch display here. Internally, this is 4 gigs of RAM, a 15 bionic chip, and the battery size is a 3240 mAh battery. So those are some of the specs that you might be interested in. Now, as you can see here, the iPhone 13. Here we're going to go ahead and set it up. Now it does use Face ID, so you want to set up Face ID if you want to use all of the Apple services like Apple Pay and other services, but you can always set up later. Of course, make sure you create a passcode. I'm just not going to do that. And then data transfer, of course, transfer your data. I'm not doing that. Apple ID, make sure you sign into your Apple ID so you can use all of the Apple services, or you can create one for free if you don't have one, as you can see here, or set up later in the setting, which I'm going to do. And then I'm going to hit agree, hit continue, and then continue, keep on continuing, and then select the services if you like. Now, when it comes to setting up your cellular, either transfer over from your nearby phone if you're using an eSIM, or if you have a QR code, you can use that or you can only set it up later. Siri, you can set it up or set it up later. Screen time, set up later. And then if you want to share the analytics to improve their product, I usually don't, but up to you. And then you can choose light versus dark. We're going to hit that. And then standard versus zoom view display. And then finally, welcome to iPhone, and we have our iPhone ready to go here. So this is how it's going to look out of the box with the iPhone 13 here. Again, really good, awesome phone because of the physical SIM card. I think it still has 5G now. This phone still, for the price of kind of some of the newer phone, it might be worth buying if you were looking for a phone with the SIM card. I think it has a great camera compared to some of the newer iPhones that we've seen. And as you can see here, the portrait mode, video, all of that is available for us. And we can take a look at it. So it ships with iOS 16.6, but you can upgrade it to iOS 17 as well, or the latest version. But that's how it is with unboxing iPhone 13. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're going to be doing a lot of other unboxing or other Apple products. So make sure that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.